The biology and anatomy of deep sea, a journey into the abyss. Imagine descending into a realm where darkness reigns supreme, where the pressure could crush a submarine like a tin can, and where life takes on forms so alien, they seem to defy imagination. Welcome to the deep sea, a world that covers over 65% of Earth's surface, yet remains more unexplored than the surface of Mars. As we plunge into the abyss, we'll uncover the marvels that lurk in the eternal night of the ocean's depths, where life has evolved in ways that continue to astonish and inspire scientists and dreamers alike. The realm of darkness. As we descend below 200 meters, sunlight begins to fade, and we enter the twilight zone. By 1,000 meters, we reach the midnight zone, where darkness is absolute. Yet, this apparent void teems with life, each creature a testament to nature's ingenuity. The deep sea is a harsh mistress, demanding extraordinary adaptations from its inhabitants. With pressures exceeding 1,000 atmospheres in the deepest trenches, temperatures hovering just above freezing, and an almost complete absence of light, life here has evolved in ways that push the boundaries of biology. Dr. Cindy Lee Vandover, a renowned deep-sea biologist, once said, "The deep sea is the largest habitat on Earth. It's also the least understood. This vast, dark ecosystem holds secrets that could revolutionize our understanding of life itself." Bioluminescence, living light in the abyss. In the inky blackness of the deep, light becomes a precious commodity. Nearly 90% of deep-sea creatures possess the ability to create their own light through bioluminescence. This living light show serves various purposes, attracting prey, confusing predators, or even finding mates in the vast darkness. The anglerfish, with its bioluminescent lure dangling before its fearsome jaws, is perhaps the most iconic example, but it's far from alone. The vampire squid, despite its terrifying name, uses bioluminescent displays to confuse predators. Glowing bacteria colonize the light organs of many fish, creating a symbiotic relationship that illuminates the depths. Recent studies have shown that bioluminescence in the deep sea may play a crucial role in carbon cycling. As creatures migrate up and down the water column, their light signals trigger responses in other organisms, influencing feeding patterns and consequently the movement of carbon through the ocean. Pressure and adaptation, life under extremes. The crushing pressure of the deep sea would spell doom for surface dwellers, yet deep sea creatures thrive. Their secret lies in cellular adaptations that allow them to maintain normal functions under extreme conditions. Deep sea fish often lack swim bladders, the gas-filled organs that help shallow water fish control buoyancy. Instead, many use oil-filled livers for buoyancy control. This adaptation prevents them from being crushed by the immense pressure or expanding fatally if they rise too quickly. The Mariana snailfish, living at depths of up to 8,000 meters, has evolved proteins that function optimally under high pressure. Dr. Paul Yancey, a marine biologist specializing in deep-sea adaptations, explains, "These animals have special adaptations in their proteins and membranes that allow them to work under pressure. It's like evolving enzymes that work best in a pressure cooker." Feeding in the dark. Strategies for survival. In a realm where food is scarce, deep-sea creatures have developed fascinating strategies to secure a meal. The gulper eel, with its enormous pelican-like mouth, can swallow prey larger than itself. The viperfish's long, needle-like teeth interlock, ensuring that once caught, prey has no chance of escape. But perhaps most intriguing is the case of the zombie worms, or osedacs. These creatures feed on the bones of whale carcasses that sink to the ocean floor. Using root-like structures, they bore into the bones and extract nutrients with the help of symbiotic bacteria. This process, known as whale fall, creates entire ecosystems that can last for decades on a single carcass. Gigantism and dwarfism. Size matters in the deep. The deep sea is home to some of the most extreme size variations in the animal kingdom. The phenomenon of deep sea gigantism is exemplified by creatures like the colossal squid, which can grow up to 14 meters in length. Conversely, extreme dwarfism is also observed, particularly in males of certain anglerfish species, which are tiny compared to their female counterparts. These size extremes are thought to be adaptations to the unique conditions of the deep sea. Gigantism may help conserve energy in a food-scarce environment, while dwarfism in males of some species allows for more efficient mate-finding strategies. Dr. Edith Witter, a deep-sea explorer and bioluminescence expert, notes, "The deep sea is full of superlatives. It's where you find the biggest, the smallest, the oldest, the most bizarre creatures on the planet." Chemosynthesis, life without sunlight. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries in deep-sea biology was the existence of ecosystems based on chemosynthesis rather than photosynthesis. Hydrothermal vents, first discovered in 1977, host vibrant communities of organisms that derive energy from chemical reactions rather than sunlight. Bacteria at these vents oxidize hydrogen sulfide emitted from the Earth's crust, forming the base of a unique food web. This discovery fundamentally changed our understanding of where life can exist, not just on Earth but potentially on other planets. The tube worms found at these vents can grow up to 2 meters long and lack a mouth or digestive system. Instead, they rely entirely on symbiotic bacteria living within their tissues to convert chemicals from the vent fluid into energy. Communication in the deep, silent signals. In a world where light is limited and sound travels far, deep-sea creatures have developed unique ways to communicate. Many use low-frequency sounds that can travel long distances underwater. The sperm whale, which can dive to depths of 2,000 meters, uses powerful clicks not just for echolocation but also for communication with other whales over vast distances. Some deep-sea fish, like the African loosejaw, have evolved the ability to produce and detect red light, a wavelength quickly absorbed by seawater. This gives them a private channel for communication and hunting that most other deep-sea creatures can't perceive. Regeneration and longevity, secrets of deep-sea life. The extreme conditions of the deep sea have led to some remarkable adaptations in terms of regeneration and longevity. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, can theoretically live forever by reverting to its juvenile stage when stressed or injured. Deep-sea creatures often exhibit slower growth rates and longer lifespans compared to their shallow water relatives. The Greenland shark, which can live in depths up to 2,200 meters, is believed to be the longest living vertebrate, with some individuals estimated to be over 500 years old. Dr. Peter Gerges, a deep-sea microbial physiologist at Harvard University, suggests the deep sea is a treasure trove of genetic diversity that we've only just begun to explore. The unique adaptations we find here could hold the key to breakthroughs in medicine, material science, and our understanding of extreme environments. The deep sea and human innovation. The adaptations of deep-sea creatures have inspired numerous technological innovations. The Japanese bullet train's nose design was inspired by the kingfisher's beak, which allows the bird to dive into water with minimal splashing, a principle that helps the train enter tunnels more efficiently. Bioluminescent systems found in deep-sea organisms have led to the development of sensitive tools for detecting cellular activity, revolutionizing fields like cancer research and environmental monitoring. Even the study of pressure-adapted proteins in deep-sea organisms is informing research into treatments for Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative diseases. As we conclude our journey into the abyss, we're left with a profound sense of wonder at the resilience and ingenuity of life. The deep sea, with its extreme conditions and bizarre inhabitants, continues to challenge our understanding of biology and inspire new frontiers in science and technology. Dr. Sylvia Earle, the renowned oceanographer, reminds us, with every drop of water you drink, every breath you take, you're connected to the sea, no matter where on Earth you live. As we face the challenges of climate change and ocean conservation, understanding and protecting the deep sea becomes not just a scientific endeavor, but a crucial step in safeguarding the future of our blue planet. The mysteries of the deep continue to beckon, promising discoveries that could reshape our understanding of life itself. As we peer into the abyss, we find that it peers back, offering glimpses of the extraordinary adaptability of life and the untapped potential that lies in the darkest corners of our world.